Hi, welcome to Eurolight. We are based in Homeland Mall, Bhawanipur, Kolkata. We are nearly 2 decades old uh, entity based in light fixing sector. We are actually direct importer and also a distributor of different leading brands in India. I would take you to a small tour of my showroom. Uh, just I will explain you what exactly we sell, the quality what we have. For example, this is the fixtures. Before that, I'd like to say like we cater both to residential and official commercial usages. For example, this particular range we cater to wall lights, which can be for utility and ambience purpose both. These are high-grade casting alloy fixtures with electroplating. This sort of range can be as per your customization also. These are with coffee plating, chromium plating, electroplating, the whole range. It caters to both ambience and utility purpose. I'll take you to this side also. This specific range of ours, the whole range, caters to washroom fixtures, which are actually meant for washroom mirror lights, washroom utility lights. These are IP44 fixtures, which is actually required for any sort of fixtures when you go with a bathroom fixture because of vapors, because of steam, because of water droplets touching the fixtures. These are all rust free and with casting alloy. So nothing can match this sort of quality. The range we have, you won't get anywhere. The numerical range, the qualitative range, the quantitative range. So this is the chromium plating, coffee electroplating, and the best quality you can find. Inside we have Bridge Lux LED, Cree LED. So this is for the washroom fixtures. We'll take you to the other side also. These are called German polymer fixtures. This whole range. This is not actually very new, but yes, in demand in the market, and this is mainly for ambience purpose, not utility purpose. But this, when other lights off, this on, it looks classy. This particular specific range is for washroom lights, glass fixtures, not very costly but really good quality. This is for washroom. This specific whole range is meant for your mirror lights, for your makeup, for your dressing. We have this in single, double, triple, whatever range you want. It suffices you need whatever sort of mirror width you have. The whole range is for mirror lights. These are again for washroom utility lights. This whole range. This suffices again the utility purpose for your washrooms. I will show you some more range. These are some decorative stained glass lights where you can go in with absolutely ambience, other lights off, this on. Again, it looks very classy. There are different figures where you can, as per your vintage design, it can match your pattern. I'll show you some more range. This particular range of ours, this is something different, contemporary, you can call it vintage, you can call it abstract. This whole range is something new in the market. If you want something bigger dimensional fixtures, this can suit your purpose. So this specific range, it really stands out from your other fixtures, normal fixtures what you get in the market. This whole range. This specific range is only for outdoor. This is Fumagalli, it's Italian brand. It's made in Italy. This is a whole range for outdoor fixtures. And what we specialize, this is Fumagalli, Italian brand. We have a huge collection which nobody has in Kolkata in regards to chandeliers and hanging fixtures. You can take a tour or you can take a look. We have a beautiful collection of any sort of chandelier, hanging, pendant lamps, be it crystal, be it diffuser, be it German Moroccan stones. This collection, I guess nobody has in Kolkata regarding quality and quantitative figures. A huge range we have. These are few range displayed. We have much more in our catalogs also. These are all chandeliers. Same thing, we have pendant lighting also. You can have a look. These are glass stones. This is Moroccan Turkish lamps. These are Tiffany. It's a seashell. Tiffany is a designer's name. These are Egyptian crystals. Again, we have a very classy range of surface fixtures also. These are surface fixtures where you don't have much of a height. Then you want some show plus utility. So these lights are applicable there. We have different sizes, different shapes, different designs. And last but not the least, I will take you. This is called washroom LED mirrors. This range is a very high-end, high-quality stuffs for washroom mirrors. This is IP44 washroom mirrors where the clarity level, the ratings of the IP ratings, which is all categorized out here. These are very high-end, and we have all the sizes, which may not be in display, but you can have customized sizes also. Hi. Also, we have standing lights, which are actually meant for ambience purpose lights. When other lights are off, this is on. The look changes, the ambience of your room changes. The specialty of these fixtures are this is casting alloy. This is very, very heavy. This is around 10 kgs. What you get in the market is all hollow tin. What we specialize is a quality stuff which is called casting alloy. So these are lights which are meant for ambience purpose lighting. This is evergreen tripod. This is what we call tripods. You can see all this in ads, shoots and everywhere. These are wooden tripods. These are all evergreen fixtures, and this is what we specialize in: Turkish Moroccan Tiffany lamps. This is our specialization. Plus, if you want any sort of lights, table lamps, any sizes, any patterns, we have it. Be it Austrian teak wood, whatever you want. That also a small tour I will take with you. These are table lamps, different shapes, different designs, different textures. You can have a look here also. We have ample quantity. I doubt if anybody else has this sort of collections in Kolkata. Last but not the least, we have a great and beautiful collection of kids room lighting. These are all non-toxic fixtures. Even if a kid touches the fixture, it won't harm his health. The range we have, again I'm mentioning few of the items are in display, but this again it gives you positive feeling once it is installed in your residence or your kids' room. Thank you.